Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'll show you the style stitch, beginner friendly and made with no gaps. Perfect for blankets, bags or any cozy project. Let's get it started. You all need medium weight yarn and 4.5mm hook. To begin, we need a slip stitch just like this and chain any multiple of 2 and plus 3. Here I am making 34 chain as a foundation. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. And pull up the loops from the next 4 chains. This is the third one. Now we have 3 chains. This is the 4th one, 5th, and this is the last one, 6th. So now you have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through whole 6 loop and chain 1. You can close the style stitch. So next I am going to insert your hook into this space and pull up the loop. Insert your hook through this loop right here. Pull up the loop. Insert your hook in the foundation chain and grab the yarn and pull up the yarn. And into the next one, insert your hook and pull up the yarn. And next one as well. Now you have 6 chain on your hook. Yarn over and close. Pull up all 6 loops together and you can close this tie stitch just like this. Repeat this across you reach the last chain and I'll show you how to finish this one. This is how it looks like. End of your work, make a 2 chain and turn. Now we're gonna make 2 double crochet into the space, center space right here. I will leave the double crochet tutorial in my description box. If anybody beginners, you can have a look. This is the end of our second row. We're gonna make a 1 single crochet into the very last stitch. You can see right here. We're gonna make 1 single crochet end of our work. And we're gonna make 3 chain and turn. 1, you can see 1, 2, 3. Turn your work and we're gonna skip first chain from the hook. And we're gonna insert your hook into the second chain and pull up the yarn into the third one, and we're gonna make 1. We're gonna insert our hook into the fourth one, fifth one, and sixth. So now you have the 6 chain on your hook and yarn over, pull all the 6 loop on your hook and 1 single crochet. So this is the pattern all the way up. You can make 1 row of the tie stitch and the second one we're gonna make double crochet. When your piece is the right size, finish the final double crochet roll for a knit edge. Weaving the end with a yarn needle. Block lightly if you want your fabric to lie flat. So, if you like this tutorial, please like, comment and subscribe. It helps a lot. Drop a comment if you want this as a printable PDF or a pattern file. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.